to have your palm facing the ground. Open your hand and let it fall. And that's letting go. Okay? Simple idea, not always easy. But you have an invitation in this workshop to just let go. When you feel the resistance come up, you don't have to hold it, fix it, just drop it. You can always pick it up again. I'd like you to come back into a place where you're feeling the body, noticing sensations, feel your breathing. Out of the mouth. Connect the breath. Make it circular. Wave rises, crests and falls, rolling into the next wave in the nose, out the mouth, and allow those waves to roll into one another, wave after wave, and breath after breath. And again, notice if there's any holding back. Bring some intention now to breathing nice and deep and strong, full breaths in the nose. Effort on the inhale, relaxing, releasing on the exhale. Strength on the inspiration, come on. Now you can let go. Exhale, just dropping the ball out. You got this. Whatever you're feeling is perfectly okay. It's exactly what is needed for you in this moment. It's just breathing. It's just oxygen. Just air. Allow the breath to breathe you. Resonating